Hello everyone, hope you are fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you what you can do if your device Poco C50 is lagging or working slow. But before we start, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this video and you will learn what to do if your device Poco C50 is lagging or working slow.